Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm one of the owners at 360 Home Services in Arizona. As a growing cleaning company, one of our biggest challenges was finding a CRM that could seamlessly integrate with our booking software, Booking Koala. And though we tried several solutions, I won't name the different CRMs that we worked with, but nothing really clicked until we implemented Business Toolbox. Since making the switch, we've been able to streamline client management and follow-ups, and we've even optimized our phone and SMS system, which was a big pain point for our organization. The results, we've doubled our revenue, and we've significantly increased our profitability. Business Toolbox has been an absolute game changer in simplifying our operations and enhancing client communication. If you're a cleaning industry owner and you're looking for a reliable partner to elevate your operations and boost profitability, I highly recommend Business Toolbox. It's been an incredible asset for us, and I believe it can do the same for your business.